Bam. Too late, adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Cardano, and it's sitting on the 50 moving average, or right below 50 moving average on the daily. So we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about some long-term prospects for Cardano and what's actually gonna happen. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening and pull up our lines. Very nice lines. We got a very nice line. This is 1.15 line, and this is 1.2 line. That's actually was acting as a resistance, support. That the 1.2 line was actually this 50 moving average, but we don't need that right now. What we're gonna see now when we zoom in, you gotta really zoom in, is that yesterday we fell below the 50 moving average on the daily, and today we are kind of fighting whether we want to stay up below it or above it, or what's gonna happen. You can see the VIX went, the price went all the way to 1.16 and all the way up to 1.24 during the day, trading today. But right now sitting below this line over here, this 50 moving average on the daily chart, and sitting right below there. So let's zoom in a little bit on the 4-hour chart, see what's actually happening. On the 4-hour chart you can see that we are below all the moving averages. Let me remove the lines. These are moving averages: 10, the 20 moving, this is the 50, 100, 200 moving average. We're sitting below all the moving average, and currently we are being pushed down. And the only way this is gonna change is if we get above the 50 moving average on the 4-hourly chart. When is that gonna happen? That depends, but I think there is a move down in the books right now. I think there is a move down, and then we're gonna bounce really hard up after that, I think, because everything depends on what Bitcoin is gonna do. And Bitcoin also looks like it's gonna have the move down. Where it actually has the move down and not, it all depends, but like everything has the same triangle right now on the 4-hourly chart. It goes something like this. I think these are very nice line. So it's gonna break either on the upside or downside from this triangle. On downside we got this target down here at what's that? That's 0.98, and on the upside we got target at, wait, can we just copy this line? Yeah, we can copy this line, and up there the target should be around what's that, if we start breaking on the upside, of course, 146. So you got 146 on the upside, and you got 0.98 on the downside. I don't think we're gonna go down and then stay down forever. I think if we go down, we're gonna wick it down and then get this bounce and start moving up, because this symmetrical triangle in a downtrend, right, something's gonna happen. We are getting really close to the ending of this, and that all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin decides to break on the downside, everything breaks on the downside, and Bitcoin breaks on the upside, everything breaks on the upside. I know a lot of people are still talking about that Bitcoin and altcoins are not correlated, and that might have been the case in 2017 or something like that, but right now, I mean, it's really hard to not find the correlation between Bitcoin and everything else. They are kind of more like Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up, but everything goes up when Bitcoin goes up like 2%, everything goes up like 20%, and when Bitcoin goes down 2%, everything goes down 20%. So volatility is bigger in altcoins, but they are still correlated. That said, we are still expecting, looking for what Bitcoin is gonna do, but this short-term does not look very nice, but the long-term charts, and we're gonna actually focus on those, are actually looking very nice, very nice, super nice actually, to be honest with you. Right now we are sitting still above the 115 line over here on the weekly chart. Actually, weekly chart, we don't want to break this level down here. Let me put it down for you. This is the level we don't want to break. I think that's 120. Yeah, right now 180, 190. No, that's not one. It's 190. Was 118. Yeah, 118. So 118, that's this bottom down here that we have actually established as the support. So on the weekly chart, that means next Monday we don't want to be below 180. So this right now we can fall how far you want to go there, because you see these wicks, right? These wicks over here. These wicks and these wicks down here, they're quite big, so we can fall during the week down, but as long as we get above Monday, above 118, that's already I think it's all good. Not only that, about getting above 180 next week, like closing somewhere above here, will also keep us above the 10 moving average, and it will also keep us inside the rising wedge. That's very nice. So this is the long-term rising wedge over here, and right now we are dropping out here. But I don't think this is actually a drop out of the rising wedge. It's more like a it's more like a pull out of the wedge, because usually these wedges don't break out here. They usually break on the towards the top, so they go something like this, and then during the when you get close top they break out. Now my charts are very noisy, so we're gonna remove some lines over there. So that's what we're looking for right now. That said, let's also check out some kind of indicators. And this one down here is very important, not this one over here. This is the RSI rubber band indicator. Basically you want to around 70 before you restart the run on the way up, and right now it's sitting at 73. It closed at 79 previous week. Right now it's sitting around 73, so it's all good. Around 70 levels, no problem right now for Cardano, especially since it's sitting also on this white line, the 10 moving average. So basically in the uptrend you want to keep above the 10 moving average. You can wick down to the 20 moving average, you can even get a little bit further down, but basically you want to keep above the 10 moving average on the weekly chart, and this looks very nice. We are right now hugging the 10 moving average, so these are some kind of levels that in a couple of weeks won't be able to we won't be able to get back to these levels in a couple of weeks times. But right now, it's not that good, because we are below the 50 moving average. We are inside this triangle that's pushing us down. Bitcoin is looking like it's gonna break on downside. That said, that actually might be a very nice opportunity for the weekly chart to get this, the daily chart to get this very nice pullback and then spring. So we want to get pull down and then spring back up really hard above all the moving averages and continue run up, because neither I nor a lot of other people do believe that Bitcoin is going to go down some kind of 40 levels and stabilize there like some kind of stable coin. If it gets a pullback, a lot of people are going to buy that, and it's going to continue further up. That said, Cardano looking actually pretty nice overall, like in the big scheme of things. Right now not quite there, but soon it will be there. So I'm looking forward to actually getting into those levels or those days. So how long this can take? This is right now, so 22:10, 1 day. Within 1 day, I think we're gonna know within 1 day. So tomorrow, yeah, we can go all the way. Like now, I think it's gonna happen. Maybe tonight, maybe today. It's really close. It's really close. That said, subscribe to the channel if you wanna keep getting updates on Cardano, see what's actually happening, yeah. Also check out the Telegram chat. A lot of nice people there. Check out the Patreon links down below and all this shebang. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.